In this episode of analysis, we are going to be looking at cash flow analysis, and I'm hoping that this is going to be a bit of succor to those of us that are a bit scared when it comes to cash flow analysis. Is one aspect of finance and accounting work that really we don't like. Okay, so basically cash flow analysis as one of the statements in the financial accounting statement is to evaluate a company's cash inflow and outflows over a period of time. Please don't forget that. I know you know that there are basically two types of cash flow analysis, the direct and the indirect cash flow statement or analysis. But what are their differences and what are the components? So two types of cash flow analysis. The direct method basically is tracking actual cash transaction. If we lay it to heart like this, we may not struggle much in having our cash flow analysis done in the financial statement. Then the indirect method typically is adjusting net income for non-cash items. Somebody may ask, Benga, which one do you prefer? I prefer the indirect method, in which I just need to start with the net profits and I begin to adjust for non-cash items in form of the depreciation, the items not involving movement of cash, the finance share side of the cash flow, the investment side of the cash flow, and the like. That's, I don't know for you. You can let us know in the comments. But for me particularly, I'm more comfortable using indirect method of cash flow analysis. So apart from you putting which one you prefer between direct and indirect method in the comments, let me equally know if you would like me to demonstrate to you how to go about the two types of cash flow analysis. Now let us move on to the application of cash flow analysis. And if you are yet to subscribe to GGen's Associates, please subscribe now. Share, and when you subscribe, click all as notification so that henceforth you'll be notified when we upload newly. Having said that, comments, engage us, email us if you have a practical business you want to do with Teachings Associates, especially on the side of projection, business evaluation, investment advisory, taxation, audit, and the like. This is why we exist. Having said that, we are trainers too, corporate trainers. We come into your organization, we train the individual and the like. Just reach out to us and they say, trial will convince you. Okay, having said that, let us move on to the application of cash flow analysis. Basically, is to ensure a company enough cash, and they say cash is king, right? To meet its obligations and invest in the future growth of the business. Don't forget to tell a friend to tell a friend and share teachings associate. We pride ourselves that we are value to life, we are value to your businesses. Next, we are going to be looking at risk analysis. Risk analysis. For a while now, we've been talking about different analysis in finance and accounting, and we had dealt with valuation analysis of companies. We have dealt with forensic accounting. Tax analysis had been looked at. We just looked at cash flow analysis, and next you see our upload is going to be on risk analysis. Don't forget, like, share. We are value to life. G. James Associates, Benga Olatunji FCA has been speaking. We are value to your businesses.